What's better, coffee or chocolate? How about combining them both in a decadent chocolate coffee Bundt cake? Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. To make a coffee chocolate Bundt, first in my warm milk, I'm going to add in instant coffee and give it a mix. Next, in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add my melted butter, condensed milk. I'm going to give this a quick whisk. I'm using a hand beater, but you could even use a whisk. To this, I'm adding my milk and coffee mix and castor sugar. I'm going to mix this till the sugar is dissolved. Next goes in my vanilla extract, flour, baking powder and baking soda. Mixed with the hand beater. Make sure you don't overbeat it. We just want it to be mixed properly. I'm transferring my batter into a greased Bundt tin. I'm transferring my batter into a greased Bundt tin. And this goes into my oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. To make the glaze for our Bundt, I've got some melted chocolate to which I'm adding some oil and giving it a mix. This is just spread all over the top of the Bundt. The glaze I've put in a piping bag. It just makes it easier. Spread the glaze. You can even use a spoon